So now I'm going to introduce you to 3 instruments that you find within Bhangra. And one of them, the first one, is called the Chimta. So it's basically a set of prongs with these little cymbal type metal discs on. Gives it a bit of a rattle. And sometimes you find this within Bhangra music. Sometimes you also find this in a religious setting as well. But normally you'd find people dancing along to the dole. So we're going to show you a couple of little beats with the Chimta and the dole. So. The next instrument I'm going to introduce you to is called the Sapp, also called the Genchi, which is almost like an emphasis of the clapping sound. So when you've got a dole drum, you need to have something that will sound a lot louder. So as people clap along to it, we also have these instruments, and you also find Bhangra dancers using this instrument in their performance. So we're going to show you a few moves with this. The next instrument, okay, is this lovely little Kato. So Kato actually means squirrel in Punjabi, and basically the story goes that the squirrel is one of the happiest creatures that you'll find around the world because it's just so happy and it's bouncing along with its big fluffy tail. So this is quite a rudimental instrument. Gives a nice clapping sound. But again, you'll find this performed within Bhangra along with the dole drum. So we'll show you a few moves with this.